Hi, everyone. Today, I'll share with you one of the best free methods to find new best-selling print-on-demand t-shirts on Amazon. As you know, print-on-demand is a big industry. It gives creators the chance to turn their ideas into real, sellable products and earn money from their original designs. There's no need for inventory, no need to handle shipping, and absolutely no stress. Just upload your artwork can be printed on t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, and so much more. And the platform takes care of the rest. It's one of the simplest ways to start your own online business. And the best part? You can get started with zero upfront cost. So let's get started. First, install the Productor for Merch by Amazon extension to your browser. It's completely free. Go to the Amazon website and choose the clothing category. In the search bar, type a keyword like cool shirt or funny shirt. Make sure the zip code is set to the United States, since we're targeting the US market. If it's not, you can easily change it by entering any US city zip code. This ensures that the search results show products that are likely available for shipping within the US market. Now head over to the filter panel on the left side. Scroll down and find the Novelty and More category. Click to select it. This is the dedicated section for print-on-demand shirts. It's where most merch by Amazon designs are listed. Next, go to the price filter settings. Set the minimum price to $17 or $18. This helps you focus on t-shirts with better profit margins and low competition. It also filters out lower-priced shirts. Also, make sure to select Sold by Amazon Seller only. Let's check again. We've selected the Novelty and More category. We're targeting t-shirts with higher prices, and we've filtered results to show products sold by Amazon sellers only. These are the specific requirements a shirt must meet to be considered a high-performing product. Now, let Productor analyze the search results. By the way, Productor is a free browser extension powered by Merch Informer. It can analyze up to 30 pages of listings, not just the first page like most tools. For this example, I selected only 5 pages to keep it light. Because honestly, the tool can get a bit slow. That's one of its drawbacks. But the value it gives is worth it. Productor shows detailed insights for each t-shirt listing, including bestseller rank, BSR, top 3 category ranks like the design was uploaded, keywords used in the listing, focus keywords and long-tail keywords. All of this data helps us understand what's trending and why a shirt is selling. Let's sit tight and wait for Productor to finish the analysis. Once Productor finishes analyzing the results, go ahead and sort the listings by Added. Why? Because this is a powerful little trick that many beginners overlook. Sorting by Added shows you the newest designs that have just been uploaded. And here's the secret. Some of these fresh designs are already making sales. And at high price points too. This helps you spot new trends early and understand what's working right now. Take a look at this one. Here's a shirt with a good BSR number 159,000, and it was uploaded just a week ago. For example, it was added on March 29th, and today is April 5th, just 1 week later. That's a strong sign. It means the design is already getting sales, just days after being uploaded, and with a high price and good margin. This is exactly what we need, to find the newest, trendiest shirts with high sales, but also ones with a higher price point. If you take a closer look at this list of results, you'll see that most of these designs have a BSR, that meaning they've already sold. Some of them have a good BSR rating. This is a key sign that the shirt is selling at good prices. And design is performing well and attracting buyers. As a print-on-demand designer, this is a great opportunity to discover successful designs, gather new t-shirt ideas, and add your own creative touch. By capitalizing on these trends early, you can maximize your sales potential and stay ahead of the competition. This is one of my favorite ways to find best new trend shirt. If you found this helpful, make subscribe, like, and leave a comment and let me know. I'd be happy to share more free tools and strategies to help you grow your print-on-demand business.